Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I got a reverse smoky eye look, so let's get started. For this beginner friendly smoky reversed cat eye or smoky eye, I'm going to use the bare minimum of products to keep it simple. First, what you want to do is put some primer on your eyelid. I already done that. It is nice, clean, so we're just diving right in with the first product. And it sounds a little bit silly, but I'm going to use the bronzer for it because it's already in my face and I just want to tone it a little bit up, so create some depth. And I thought, why not using my bronzer? If you don't want to, you can also grab your eyeshadow, buff it out, upwards. And it doesn't have to be that neat. And I am bringing that on all the lid space that I've got. So you can see the difference now. This one has more depth and this is just bold. So the scratching motions back and forth, just to give it a good blend up there. I'm going to dive in with a smaller blending brush and I'm only using that tip and I'm going underneath that lash line. So there is already a transition color for the black that we are going to use later on. And if you did that, just get your bigger brush and blend it a little bit more out without taking any more product. Okay, then I'm going in with a black eyeliner. This is the Shockwave by LA Girl. I really like this one because it glides right on. For this part, I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can follow it. I'm just doing it in the waterline. And what you want to do next is get a little smudging brush and take some black on your brush and you go right underneath it, just like that. And just take a little bit of black, not much, because you can always build it up. If you take too much and it's a really blob, you can't blend it out because you turn out like a panda on the end and that's not the look you go for or aiming for. So take a little bit and smudge it, because you take also at that same time that liner that's above it. I'm going to take that smaller blending brush and I just blend that lowest edge out a little bit more. For the outer corner and inner corner, I am taking the Maybelline gel eyeliner on a very tiny little brush. And then I am just going out, not too far, and I take a little bit of that upper waterline and connect that to the under eye. And if you like, you can drag this piece a little bit out. This will elongate the eye more. So, and be careful, because with eyes like me, I am 36 now and it's a little bit more defined now with lines and things like that. And buff it out a little bit more. And I didn't take more eyeshadow on the brush. I curled my lash. This is the second time. Why I do it twice is because of you can grab the lash even more tighter at the waterline. And now I'm going in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. With this mascara, I really don't need a false lash. But if you really want to add some drama, just cut your lash in half and just only put the outer corner and not the full lash, because you want the drama down here and not up there. I really like this look. Also for daytime. I just think it's gorgeous. This was the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. And I will look into that if I can do something with it. And for now, I hope to see you next time. Bye!